Yes sir, rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. Should be a quick one. Got a 97 Chevy C2500. We're gonna be doing a serpentine belt. I already replaced the belt, but I diagnosed it afterwards and found out why the belt popped off, and it was because of this idler pulley. It's loose and it's screeching and screaming. We're gonna jump on that. All right, first you want to jump down to this tensioner right here. Get your 3/8 ratchet. Get in there. Push down on it to release the tension. All right, we got that off. And now we can work on this bolt here. That's all it is just one bolt. And you can hear it. That's bad. So, and that was a 13 mil. Loosen that up. And that's it. So we got this right here. We're gonna go, I punched that, pushed it down, just tapped it down. That'll come out. Bearings are shot in this thing. That's what's going on there. See the shavings done fell out. And this is our new one. Brand new. That's what it's supposed to look like. That part number. Also, another thing I wanna let you all know. Now, it's two different belts that you can choose from when it's equipped with an AC compressor. All right, and these two different belts, it all depends on the part number. On the, see that P8206-5, I put that in to figure out the amperage on this here. Either you got a 100 amp and you got some other one that's more than that. And these are the two belts that I was choosing from. And as you can see, I used this one here. This is 100 amp. That's the part number for that 100 amp. And the other one that's more, that's the part number. So you can't just put any one on it. I'm not sure how it works, if it'll fit or not. It may fit, but it may just do damage to the alternator if you put the wrong one on. But let's get it. Got it in. See, make sure you set it up the same way. And that right there is supposed to hold that bolt in. So you can basically screw it. You can screw it down to hold it in. All right, we're gonna go ahead and go install it. Yeah, that'll work. All right, go ahead and start it up. Yep, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you're liking the content, man, you know what to do. Get a video a thumbs up. I appreciate the likes. Go ahead and comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until next time, gang, the Pull-Up King.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.